Hello my beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing great. So today I will be talking to you about which fertilizer is best for fruit trees. So these are the two fertilizers that I use for my fruit plants. Whether you are growing apples, pears, peaches, cherries, figs, strawberries, these two fertilizers are really great to use for fruit plants. Now, the first fertilizer, which is the fruit tree fertilizer from Down to Earth, the first time I purchased this fertilizer was 2022. This was when I planted, I believe that's when I planted my apple tree, either 2022 or 2021. I forgot. But anyway, so this is the first fertilizer that I use on all of my fruit plants early spring, so right before all of the leaves start to form on my plants from over winter. This is the first fertilizer I use. So this fertilizer, I use it, I mix it with compost, so apply it to all of my fruit plants right before spring or right at the early beginning of spring. Now this second fertilizer, I was looking for liquid fertilizers that I could use during the summertime when it was really hot, instead of me using like the powdery fertilizer. And that's when I found this fertilizer. So my first time purchasing this fertilizer was June of 2023. Now I did try other liquid fruit fertilizers before I purchased this one, and when I purchased this one and I seen the difference with my fruit plants, I stuck with it. So now you're using this fertilizer early spring, and then once the mature leaves form on your fruit plants, this is when you would start using this fertilizer. So once the mature leaves form on your fruit plants during the spring, and then when you start to see like that little flowers, you start to see it flowering, that is the best time to use this particular liquid fruit fertilizer, because I'm telling you, you will see such a huge difference. It is going to give it such a boost that within a couple of weeks, your plants are going to be healthier. Those flowers are going to bloom even more, and you will start to have like tiny fruits on your fruit trees, and it's just really exciting to see. So pomegranate, when I was planting pomegranate, I could rely on these two fruit fertilizers because I have used it for a couple of years, and I have seen the great results with my plants. So my pomegranate trees, when I planted them, I didn't look for extra fertilizer to use for, I didn't look for specific fertilizers to use for pomegranate trees. I just figured, since I have been using this on all of my fruit trees and all of my fruit plants, that it was going to be okay. And as you guys can see, we were able to harvest pomegranates last year. Remember, when you have healthy soil, you will have abundant fruits. So these are in smaller, they sell them in smaller containers. This one is sell it in a smaller container, but I usually get the bigger one because I grow a lot of fruits. And what I do, I'm going to use this for 2 years. And this also, I'm going to use it for 2 years. So for me, it's a great investment because I know what I am putting on my plants. They're going to be healthy. I'm not spraying any chemicals on it. I'm using everything as natural as possible. And then along with these, I'm able to stretch them for 2 years because I'm using compost. Don't forget your compost, because when you use compost, you are building your soil as well. And it is a lot cheaper. Like for example, the cow compost, what is it called? Moon. Look at me talking about moon. But anyway, you guys know what I'm talking about. The cow compost, you can use chicken manure, you can use leaf compost, you can use banana peels, which I also use in my garden for all of my fruit plants. I also use citrus peels in my garden, especially around my grapevines, around my apple trees. I use citrus peel. So you can also like mix it up. You don't necessarily have to just use these. Mix it up with other things so that you can have a healthier soil. But I just wanted to share with you guys, I have shared this with so many of my close friends, and I've shared this with you guys before. I have noticed that using these two fertilizers together have worked so well with my plants. So try it out. Let me know what you think. If you're growing fruit, these are two great fertilizers to try. And no, they're not paying me to say this. I have been sharing with you guys everything that I use in my garden because I also want you guys to be successful. It is an investment. I'm not sure, the smaller bags, you probably can get it for maybe $15 for this one, and this one maybe around the same thing. I forgot how much the smaller ones cost because I always get the bigger ones, because to me I'm saving a lot of money because I have a lot of fruit plants. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys, and just to give you a reminder for you to go ahead and get what you need, because this particular one sells out pretty fast, because last year on Amazon it was sold out for a couple of months. I had to look everywhere for it, and they didn't even have the bigger one. They only have the smaller ones. So if you can, go ahead and get it. It's a great investment. You don't have to use a lot. Follow the instructions. Use a little bit at a time, and to make it stretch, save you a lot of money. Use compost, whatever compost you have, use it as well. Well, that's it, guys, for today. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let's grow together. Have a wonderful day. Be safe. I will see you guys in the next video. So when I am applying this liquid fertilizer to my garden, I am going to share it with you guys. So you have to. Remember, food is freedom. Just start with one seed. No land, no problem. Just have faith and start.